Okay, so if we're adding and subtracting rational expressions, your first step is to figure out what the LCD is. So we can use a Venn diagram to do that. So I've got two rational expressions here. So I need two circles on my Venn diagram. Okay, between the two, the only thing that they have in common, so basically we're looking for a GCF between the two denominators here. They have in common a 5. Okay, in the first one, that leaves me with an A. In the second one, if I factored out a 5 here, it would leave me with 3B. Okay, so A times 5 times 3 times B gives me an LCD of 15AB. So this is what my lowest common denominator is. Okay, now we multiply by the opposite things. So the first one, I'm going to multiply the whole thing by 3B. Second one, I'm going to multiply the whole thing by A. Okay, so in the top, I get 3AB plus 3B squared, okay, minus A times B, it's just AB, minus A squared. Okay, so this is all one big fraction now with an LCD of 15AB. Now we simplify. Especially if you're subtracting, it's super important to have these brackets so that you don't mix up the signs. So my like terms here, I can combine 3AB and negative AB, so that this gives me 3B squared plus 2AB minus a negative gives me a positive A squared. Okay, and this is all over 15AB. We still have to make restrictions here. In this case, A and B cannot equal 0. Then we check to see if we can simplify this any further. So if we look in the top here, I've got a trinomial, but there's nothing in common. There's no GCF that I can factor out. So this is as simplified as we can get.